Hello everyone, I'm Nginx. Thanks for watching this video. In this video I'm going to use a small Nginx reverse proxy to use some domain and some virtual hosting in Ubuntu. First of all, let's clean up the environment. Okay. I'm going to first install Nginx. And also I'm going to Nginx Docker. Another of Nginx in Docker Nginx. I want to official documents for running the Nginx. That's it. Some content. Okay, it's okay. So I have Nginx installed here, and you can check it. It was from the previous video, so I'm going to Docker stop portainer. So Docker remove portainer and sudo service Nginx restart. So let's check if it's okay for now. Okay. So the port 80 is for Nginx, and it was from previous video. Okay, I'm going to use another Nginx, but it's in container. Let's get to desktop and create a directory test. And in the test, I'm going to create index.html, and this is HTML, it's body. I'm going to use hello from Docker Nginx. Simple one. And the HTML file is okay for now. And I'm going to deploy you can check out my I have another video about installing Docker, Portainer and Watchtower, which the link is shown above, and you can watch it to learn how to use Docker. Let's name the container to second Nginx. And let's create home, some desktop, and paste directly to HTML. It's going to download Nginx image, and actually I should expose some port. Let's cancel the download and add the ports too. So port 80 is referring to my local computer's port 80 Nginx, and port 8080 refers to Nginx inside Docker. Again, what happened? It's not okay. Let's check if it's working or not, because No, it's working and it's okay. So very good. Now I'm going to, as you can see here, I have used port 80 for one Nginx and port 8080 for another Nginx, and I want to give a domain for it, a local domain, actually not actual domain, but it's the same procedure for actual domains too. Because of that, first of all, I'm going to create a local domain in etc hosts, and for example, this IP is for second nginx.com, which is not a domain. Let's add .fake to it. Second nginx.fake. I'm going to my computers, actually this Nginx configuration in etc, and I'm going to sites available. Let's find Nginx reverse proxy sample. Okay, here is the example for Nginx. Let's check here. There is a default configuration which handles this Nginx, and there is another configuration for my other video. Actually, it's the same as here with some other configurations. Okay, I'm going to copy this one and replace the needed values. Sudo copy gitlab.mycommand.com. You can check out my other video about configuring GitLab Mattermost in a self-hosted environment for your startup. The video is recorded in Persian, and you can check it in the link above. Okay, I'm going to copy to what was the domain? Second nginx.fake. No, second nginx.fake. Actually, I should use it with sudo. It's listening on port 80. Its server name is second Nginx. If you are using partially qualified domain name PQDM, or second Nginx.fake if you are going to use fully qualified domain name. The reverse proxy will send the client's real IP to the reverse proxied engine, and I'm going to reverse proxy to 127.0.0.1 port 8080. I mean the second Nginx. It's okay. Now I should create a link in sites enabled directory sudo ln the file at sites available second nginx.fake to here. Let's check if the Nginx configuration is correct. It's okay. Sudo service Nginx restart. Okay, so I can access the second Nginx by this domain, second nginx.fake. Oh, what's happened? You know, it's because second Nginx. Oh, I have mistakenly added here. It's HTTP, and you can see second Nginx.fake is pointing to my second Nginx in Docker. So I have, let's visualize what I'm talking about. I'm going to use Nginx image, actually Nginx logo, not Nginx text, Nginx logo and Docker logo. Better, I think. I'm going to put the image. Here is the Docker logo. Okay. What I have done is this. I created an Nginx in my host machine. And I have created an Nginx inside Docker as a container, named second Nginx. This was second Nginx.com. Okay. I have reverse proxied the second Nginx which was bind on port 80 and my computer's port 8000 bound to port 80 of second Nginx, and port 80 of my host was bound to the main Nginx. So I created second Nginx.com entry in Nginx as reverse proxy, so it will accept on port 80 with the host name second Nginx.com. If second Nginx.com passed to my host Nginx, it will proxy to this IP address or this path. Actually, it sends the request to port 8000, and port 8000 is bound to port 80 of Docker. Okay, so this was a video about creating Nginx reverse proxy using two Nginx, one from my host computer and the other from my Docker engine. If you're interested about these videos, you can subscribe to my channel and you can see other videos in my channel. Okay, have a good time and goodbye.